Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into another product from Capri Tools. If you guys follow the channel, you guys know I love Capri. They make some really good stuff for the price. They're a brand that I've used for many years. Anytime I'm looking for new tools, they're one of the brands that I always consider and have been quite impressed with. So today we're looking at their 1/4 inch Master Impact socket set. 1/4 inch drive. This is my first Impact 1/4 inch drive socket set. I have way more sockets than I could ever need, but I'm getting a new toolbox this next year and this is going to be perfect for it. I use a lot of 1/4 inch drive, both at home and at work. I primarily use 1/4 inch drive at work. So these will be used at home, but if I ever needed, this is definitely a set that I would consider taking to work. So this is a 28 piece master set in metric. They do have SAE available. The SAE set is going to range from 3/16 to 9/16. This set specifically is going to range from 4 to 15 millimeter, and it is going to include 4.5 as well as 5.5. So you do have those half sizes, no skips all the way through 15. And I do like seeing that 15 included. That's kind of becoming the new standard. A lot of sets used to stop at 13 back in the day, then it became 14, now we're at 15. I think 15 is a really good range for 1/4 inch drive. Here you can see you get both shallow and deep well in this little blow molded tray. Let me put the cover back on this so I can show you guys the back. It does have this kind of cardboard backing. It gives the casing more rigidity and support. This is how you would order it if you just got the Impact socket set, but if you guys follow the channel, you guys saw my chrome socket set that I just picked up, and I did the same thing with the Impact socket set because I found out Capri offered this and I love it. They worked with Westling, a USA made billet aluminum socket organizer, and so they're partnered together to create Capri's organizers. So if you guys haven't checked out the video on this set, go ahead and do so. Priced extremely well, whether you're just buying the sockets or the sockets with the organizer, both of them priced extremely well, especially for the quality that you get. I was actually surprised. I didn't know it was going to come in the factory organizer. I thought it would just kind of be, I don't know how I figured it would be packaged, but I just figured it'd be the sockets and then this. But it's really cool that you still get this as an option. But we'll get this loaded up here in just 1 second. Show you the sockets real quickly. Here's the 14 millimeter. You can see the Capri logo, part number on each socket. They do have the size marking laser engraved on each socket as well as stamped. Now the stamping is a little hard to see, but that laser etching makes it really easy to see. And you can always, if necessary, kind of fill that in with either a crayon or a marker. So you guys can see that. Same thing there. And in the chrome socket set, I showed you guys kind of how Capri brings their shoulder down further than a lot of other brands, which I really, really like. They do the same thing with the Impact sockets, bring the shoulder down nice and far so you get a nice deep reach when you're working in recessed areas. But I don't have any 1/4 inch drive shallow sockets. I have one 1/4 inch drive Impact socket, and it was with the gear wrench 10 millimeter 10 piece socket set, so it's a magnetic Impact socket. This is the only 1/4 inch Impact that I have, but I use 1/4 inch all the time. And so I figured this also kind of gives me another reason to go out and pick up that M12 1/4 inch drive Impact. I don't know if it's necessary, but it gives me a reason for it. Right now I primarily use the clutch adapter from Northern Tool. I don't even know if they still sell this or not, but it is a locking adapter, which I love. I have it in all 3 drive sizes. The other nice thing about these sockets is they do have the locking pinhole on both sides. You could use, like that style where you drop the pin through and then you put the rubber band around here. It does have that feature. I don't know if they ever did that with 1/4 inch drive. I know they did it with larger 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch tools, but they do have that. That's nice because you don't have to hunt and search as much when you're putting it on a locking adapter. So like you have your ball detent. If a lot of Impact sockets will only have one of these holes, and then you got to kind of line it up with the ball detent. Here at least you got a 50-50 chance of getting it locked on, you know, because if you put it on this way, then the socket can just come off. So it is nice that they put that hole on both sides, so it's a little bit easier to get locked on. Lock onto a ball detent. And it is snug. So very nice fitment on the drive side. And as far as fasteners, I'll show you real quickly. Here's an 8mm fitment on an 8mm fastener. But fitment is really, really good. Go to a 10mm. There you can see the fitment. Nice and tight, but not too tight. And so I'm going to be, before I was probably using a lot of 3/8 impact sockets on a lot of smaller stuff where I could have used this. Now, I've used plenty of chrome sockets as impact sockets over the years, especially on the race team, because that's just what we use. But I figure with how much I use 1/4" drive, this makes sense for me. Now, if you're not really one that works with 1/4" drive, maybe it doesn't make sense to you. I completely understand it. Maybe just having a good quality chrome socket set is all you need. I completely understand that, but I really like the idea of having a impact set available and usable. So let me go ahead and get these on here and I'll show you what it looks like. So I do like this as an option for those that may want to put it in a shallow drawer and have their sockets laying down, save a little bit of space. Yes, it takes up more space this direction, but if you can only work with a shallow drawer, then an organizer like this might be fantastic for you. But if you do have a deeper drawer, something like this is going to save you a lot of space. The Westling Capri rail keeps everything nice and tight, but not too tight. None of the sockets touch or anything like that. Obviously, they designed this to work with the impact sockets and chrome sockets. Here, I'll just quickly show you guys both sets. And man, that purple is on point. I absolutely love it. But I did forget to show you down in there, it does state, it's hard for it to focus because it wants to pick up what's closest. 1/4" metric, proudly made in the USA. And then over on this side, it does state Westling and Capri. And the fact that they now offer purple, I think, is amazing. Purple has become a much more popular color over the last couple years. It's one of my favorite colors now, especially this specific color of purple. I just really, really like it. These are chromoly steel, if I did not state that. They are chromoly. They do have a manganese phosphate finish to prevent corrosion and rust. No skips all the way up to 15. It is their 6-point wave drive design, and you guys already saw the fit and finish on that. There you can see down inside the socket. Dual size markings, stamped and etched, so I do like to see that. I think the stamping could be a little bit better on some of them. Some of them are perfectly fine, and then some of them are kind of hard to see. But the laser etching is very easy to see, so that is nice. So yeah, this definitely makes me want to pick up a 1/4" impact just because it'll allow me to work in tighter spaces. But I use 1/4" so often, I just figured this was a really solid option for me. Once again, if it doesn't make sense to you, I completely understand it. 1/4" impact isn't for everybody, but once again, just like the chrome set, this set is priced really well with and without the socket organizer with it. This does carry their lifetime warranty, which they are very good about their warranty, very easy to deal with. So the metric, if you get it with the organizer, you can get it either in purple or blue. And then if you get the SAE set and you get the organizer, you have the options of black or red. Now, if you go to Westling themselves, you may be able to choose some other color options, but that's what Capri has, and I'm loving this purple, and I like that Capri offers this as an option. So without the rail, just the 28-piece master impact socket set, it is $50. There are tons of other brands with this size set that is well above that. $50 is a very good price. But once again, this is 1/4" drive, so there aren't a whole lot. There's starting to become more name brand options out there. There are even some no-name brand Amazon brands out there selling 1/4" drive socket sets now. But Capri is just a brand that I've used both chrome and impact from them and have been very impressed with. So I figured why not, especially for the price. So $50 without the organizer, $75 if you want the organizer, which I think is a very, very solid option. As far as other offerings, they have 1/4-inch drive, they have 3/8 drive, 1/2-inch drive, and 3/4-inch drive impact sockets. I did forget to mention in my chrome video, as far as chrome sockets, they only offer 1/4-inch and 3/8 chrome sockets, which is something that I should have mentioned because honestly, that's all I ever use. When I'm going up to 1/2-inch, 99% of the time, I'm using an impact socket. So the fact that Capri only has chrome 1/4-inch drive and 3/8, I'm perfectly fine with. And then for impact sockets, they have 1/4-inch, 3/8, 1/2-inch, and 3/4-inch drive. Not a huge selection of 3/4-inch drive, but they do have a selection. And the chrome sockets were available in 6-point and 12-point, while as far as the 1/4-inch drive impact, it is only available in 6-point. I believe their 3/8 drive is available in 6-point or 12-point. So unfortunately, 12-point's not available in the 1/4-inch drive, at least not right now. I don't know if they'll do that in the future. I don't think so, but you know, you never know. But honestly, I use 6-point. I do understand that there are a few of you that follow my channel that use 1/4-inch drive or 1/4-inch drive and 12 points primarily. So that is an option with the chrome sockets, just not with their 1/4-inch drive impact sockets. So just keep that in mind. But I think it's a great set, great option, great pricing, and it looks so dang good. And I can't wait to fill up my new toolbox. So let me know your guys' thoughts. Have you guys used Capri? What are your thoughts on them? Or if you haven't, I highly suggest it. They have tons of tools for a really good price, really good quality for that price. Just a really good brand to consider when searching for tools. So that is a look at my new 1/4-inch drive master impact socket set. And if you guys haven't checked the video out on the chrome set, go ahead and do so. Both very solid, affordable, quality options. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. I will have these linked down in the description for you guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.